jollof rice, you'll need red pepper. I've already cut mine. You need about 5 cloves of garlic, red onions, ginger, black pepper, curry powder, thyme, sea salt, paprika, coriander, olive oil, cherry tomatoes, bay leaves. There you go, bay leaves, tomato paste, white onions, I'm using 2, some oil, salt to taste, and I'm gonna use pearl rice. So what you need to do is you need to roast your vegetables. So I have aligned my tray. I have aligned my tray with foil paper to just make it easier. You can use normal tomatoes if you don't have the cherry tomatoes. Then cloves of garlic. Cut your onions. If you have a grill that is readily on, you can just char them. So next I go in with my black pepper, olive oil, add more black pepper. So Nigerians like a lot of chili and pepper, so you can also roast your peppers here if you want, but my household is anti peppers, so I'm not going to use any pepper. And if you have beef stock, not beef stock, vegetable stock, you can use that instead of the Maggi cubes. So I'm also going to roast my cherry tomatoes on the same plate. So set your oven at 200 degrees and you need to roast this for about 30 to 45 minutes depending on how charred you want it. We're going to blend this after the roasting has been completed. So yeah. So our vegetables are done. There you go. So we just need to blend them. So let's start blending. So I've lost a bit of footage there. My sincere apologies. But our vegetables are done. As you can see, I've added in the ginger. They are still very, very raw. I did not roast them, as you can see. So I'll blend them. So if you have your beef stock, you can add it in here. So since I don't have, not beef stock, vegetable stock, since I don't have it, I'll just add some water. Don't add a lot, just a little bit to make the blending a bit easier. keep blending until smooth. So I have blended it, but I need to blend it a little more. So I've stopped for a second so that I can just add some sea salt. I've tasted that the salt wasn't enough, so I'll blend it again. Here we go. So that is what we're looking for. Some thick blended vegetables like that. It smells amazing. So just cover that, and then now we can move on straight to the rice. So heat up your pan, add some oil, add in your onions, then you cook until translucent. As it cooks, add in some garlic. I feel like the roasted garlic is not enough, so I've added in crushed garlic. And then you mix that. And then I go in with my tomato paste. And cook that for about 20 to 30 minutes. Now I know with jollof, this guys use a lot of oil, but I've just tried to regulate mine. So keep stirring like that and let it simmer or cook for about 20 minutes, and then we proceed. So it has simmered for about 15 minutes. I had reduced the oil, the heat rather. So about 2 bay leaves, half a teaspoon of thyme, that's about half a teaspoon of thyme, smoked and ground paprika, about half a teaspoon as well, curry powder or beef masala, but I'll use curry powder, about a teaspoon, and then about a teaspoon of coriander. Then you mix that all in. And then the Maggi cube, press it in there like that, and then you clear your station. So take your vegetable soup, looks like soup, and just pour it in there and stir. So we'll rinse this out with water once we've put in our rice. So again, you let it cook until the color starts changing. Like that. I don't know if you can notice the color change. So you can taste for salt. Delicious. My salt is perfectly okay. Pour in your rice. You can wash it. I just don't wash my rice. That should be enough. Then stir. So you stir your rice. Doesn't it look beautiful? I think I'll add some more rice here because I know my people. Then I go in with my water. I normally eyeball my water when it comes to cooking rice. So that should be enough. Then taste for salt. Mix it up first nicely. Make sure you don't have any lumps so that you get an even cook on the rice. Yeah, break them down nicely and slowly and gently so that you don't end up with lumpy rice as well. Then taste for salt. So I need to add a dash of salt. I'm tempted to add some coconut milk, but I'm going to be as authentic as possible with this dish. So next, reduce the heat, cover and let it simmer for 45 minutes on low heat. So there you have it, guys, jollof rice. I'm having mine with creamed spinach and fried liver and onions. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, bye.